Some machines you never want to click through an installer on. A fresh box, a machine you are setting up from a remote session, or the 10th one this week. For those, DevThrottle ships a command line installer, 2 commands, and nothing opens on screen. Everything here happens in this terminal. One thing worth knowing first. DevThrottle runs coding agents, so it wants to find one on the machine. And this one already has Claude Code. Hold on to that, because the installer is about to check for it. First, fetch the installer. This is a different file from the one a person downloads, about 75 megabytes, and built to run without opening a window, which is exactly what makes it usable from inside a script. Then 2 commands. The first checks the machine has what it needs, and here it answers in 4 words, coding agent found. That one earns its keep on a machine you have not touched before. It tells you the thing that would otherwise stop the install halfway, at the point where you have already started it. The second one installs. 2 components, nothing failed, nothing skipped. The same install the desktop installer performs, with the clicking taken out. No administrator rights, and no window. That is what lets this sit in a setup script and finish on a machine nobody is watching. Open the director, and you land in the same setup wizard as everybody else. Your agent step is already done. Claude Code found where you put it, with the version and the path it will run from, because this machine had one before DevThrottle arrived. From here, the path is the same whichever way you installed. Next comes your first session, where you pick a repository, pick your agent, and give it real work in your own code.